many of you who know me know that I was associated with Pasha for the last 20 years. And when I joined Pasha, it already existed. Izaz Hussain, who is the chairman of Systems Limited, was one of the founders of Pasha. I decided that, we needed to be more visible. I met lots of young people across the country who were doing a lot of amazing things, who were creating technology, who were innovating, and nobody in this country or outside this country had heard of them, except for maybe the customers that they worked with. And that was just not acceptable. So I started creating some events and activities that would make us more visible, both locally and internationally. One of those things was the Pasha ICT Awards. And the way that I sold those awards to tech companies, to people across Pakistan and outside, was through digital medium. There was no other way. You had to create that awareness. We didn't have that much money. I don't think as an organization we still do, because associations work on a small budget, right? And they need to be very careful where they spend the money. So, we started using digital medium to create awareness of the awards. We started getting volunteers. Some of them are here today. I still see some of them who were involved in the early days of volunteering for the Pasha Awards. We went to universities. That was physically done. But the digital medium was used to promote all of the products who applied for the Pasha Awards, and then went on to compete at the Asia Pacific Awards, where nobody knew that Pakistan had a tech industry. They said, oh, really? Is there innovation and technology that exists in Pakistan? Well, we decided we would show them. In a few years, we were getting some of the highest awards from across the region, competing against countries like Singapore, Hong Kong, Australia, Malaysia, Indonesia, you name it. Because we did have young, talented people in this country, and we still do, who are innovating, who are creating solutions to problems that exist not only in Pakistan, but all over the world. All we needed to do was talk about it on digital medium so that people could understand and actually start competing at regional level. So that's how, that was one of, creating a brand, creating awareness, getting people to volunteer, having conversations, all that was done using the digital medium. And that's how I have continued to function with every business that I have been a part of.